Hello everyone, today I will present to you the project of Group 12. Our project is about the renovation of an old residential house. This house is located in 250 Forey Avenue, LaSalle, Montreal. It is a two-story house which was built in 1928 with nearly 100 years of history. Until now, it was refurbished in 1957 only once. After data collection, we roughly figure out the current expenses of Mr. Lee's house, including annual maintenance costs, water and electricity heating costs, and so on. Our purpose are four simple points. The corresponding problems are as follows, especially the second point. As mentioned above, Mr. Lee's family has several bedrooms for rent. So when it comes to the peak time for washing in the evening, the hot water in his house will not be enough, which troubles him a lot. In view of the above points, we have listed following 5 points. Let's talk about these points in detail. All the data about the renovation came from the internet, specifically from this website. Firstly, when it comes to the solar energy, we checked the sunshine hours and its cost in Montreal in detail. As we all know, solar energy is one of the cleanest energy. Besides, this solar panel we choose can be used as water heater as well as power supply. The maintenance cycle of it can reach 30 years, providing you with hot water continuously. However, in the absence of sunshine, we need to store and use the previous energy, which is also a disadvantage. Our next alternative is to replace the old windows with higher quality materials. 5 different kinds of windows were chosen with different prices. The third choice is to change the hardwood floor. Considering that the hardwood floor is more resilient and long-lasting, we found the cost of 5 different hardwood materials and installation costs. Changing the heat system is our next alternative. We finally selected a gas furnace with a price of about $1,100. Based on source 7 and 8, this gas furnace has a very high fuel utilization efficiency and has a long useful life. The hot water heating system improvement is another alternative. We chose a kind of electric water heater. The another information is collected, including wattage, capacity and useful life from source 9. We also are going to replace the bulbs with LED bulbs, which are 40 watt equivalent with a useful life of over 15,000 hours. The final part are our future works, including collect accurate data of the house, draw the cash flow diagrams, compare all the alternatives, and choose the best one. Here are all the general information about our project. Thanks for watching.